Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. Once again, I am OT Josh, and in this video I don't want to do some live trading. I want to talk about higher time frame analysis. So higher time frame analysis is something we've been hearing about, how you can go to the higher time frame and get your levels and this and that. Fine, that is right, but there is a way that I do my higher time frame analysis. All I do is by looking at the chart that I am watching, like my 1 minute chart. I bring my vertical lines out and then I mark between here. I mark this is 10 15. I mark this 15 10 15, and I get the next 15. I just use the next 15 minutes. You can use any minutes you want, you can use in 1 hour, but it should be the same time. Now guess what I'm going to do now. One thing we know about higher time frame is a concept, not a strategy. Is a concept for you to get your strategy. Now I want you to check. I want you to see something. Now if we start from here, from this first line, what do you see? Within this first 15 minutes, I see price making a resistance level here. Can you see this level? Yes. Now price came down, and now the next 15 minutes it happened again. What does higher time frame mean? Higher time frame helps you take advantage of patterns that occur within specific times. Please, I want you to note this down. If you have your book or Bible, write it. Higher time frame analysis, it only helps you to take advantage of patterns that are occurring within specific times. So what I mean is this: within this next 15 minutes box, if price had come here and shown me a reversal pattern just like it has done here and here, do you know what would have happened? I would have done a put trade for maybe 3-5 minutes, or I would have looked for selling opportunity. This is what higher time frame. But no, it did not happen. Price went up. When price is going up at this point in time, what does it mean? The first time when price came here and came here, you are supposed to have a kind of skill. These are mental skill. And this, what I mean is, you are supposed to have patience to wait for the next time price comes here. Now if price comes here, we are anticipating another reversal. When the reversal does not happen, we need to adapt. We need to adapt to changing market conditions. Yes, there is nothing you can do about the market. The market is moving on its own terms. You can do nothing about it, right? So now if this candle, okay, let me continue. I'm looking at this, but I'll continue. Now when the market goes up, what we are looking for, the next pattern. Now everything we knew about this chart is over. There is a new market condition. This condition that the market gave us to trade, we no longer can trade with it. We are looking for a new market condition. So now we are seeing price coming to this point to reverse, right? In this first 15 minutes, it reversed twice. Now this second 15 minutes, price reversed what? Once. Not a really good reversal. Now the third 15 minutes, what's happening? Is not even reversing. Can you see? 1 2 price reverse. The second 15 minutes is not. So what do you think is going to happen here? For me, I think price is going to what? Continue to go up. This is how you do your higher time frame analysis. It's not the higher time frame that is making you trade. The higher time frame is just putting things in a major, like it's putting things in perspective for whoever is trading, so that you can find patterns. Because basically trading is a pattern recognition game. So can you recognize the pattern? If you can recognize the pattern, can you put that pattern within time frames? Can you observe that the sun rises in the morning and sets at night continuously? Can you observe the traffic lights in the road and understand the information they give? This is what the higher time frame is really telling us to do. It's not about going and switching to the 2 minutes or 15. No, you have the time frames here already. So if this is reversing twice here, we're expecting 2 times reversal here too, but now we have just one. And even at this point, we did not get any reversal here. The reversal is happening after this level has been broken. So what do you think will happen? Price is going to continue to go up. This is something that people will charge you money to pay for. This is a course on its own. And if you are patient, you need two skills to utilize this opportunity. Most of the time I tell you the skill you need for trading is not any physical skill. They are all mental skill. You need two skills: patience, adaptation, your ability to see the market changing in real time, and then being able to be patient and wait for the opportunity to come. So this is what higher time frame analysis. This has with little of volume analysis. Without the volume analysis, you can do your analysis and you make money. You are going to make money, especially for those people who can't sit long in their charts. You can just time it, put your alerts when price gets there. Look at the patterns that the price has formed. Follow the market. You don't predict the market, you just follow what the market is giving to you. So for instance, if this first 15 minutes we had two reversals, price went down. If at this next 15 minutes we had two reversals, price has come down. The next 15 minutes, the moment I see the two reversals here, guess what? I'm going in for that trade. No matter what, whether it becomes a winner, it becomes a loser, I will go in for that trade, because this is what trading is. It is a numbers games and a pattern recognition games. This is exactly what trading is. So now let's see how this candlestick is going to close, because I am 100% sure, or let's say 80% sure, that this market is going to close in the morning. Okay, so let's see how it goes for the last minute. Okay, we have some few seconds left, yeah, so that you can see the power of higher time frame analysis. You are just analyzing your patterns using higher time frame. There is no rush about switching this and that, although it works, but I think this is a better way to recognize your patterns in trading. So let's see what we have here. Okay, and you should not be bothered by the movement of candlestick. The market is going to do what it's going to do, and all you have to do is to wait for the market to give you a pattern, and whether it's wrong or not, whether you feel good or wrong, you take advantage of that pattern. It's not about winning or losing, it's about the final pattern that you see in the market. Okay, so now this is the market condition that the market has given to me, to us, to trade, and we traded it, and it ended as a profit. So if you are trading now, I can look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first 5 minutes, right? So I'm looking at the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to find a pattern that occurs. When I get my pattern, I'm looking at the next 5 minutes and to take advantage of it. It is as simple as that. So this is just the first part of higher time frame analysis. There are other parts. Right now I'm working on an ebook. If you are interested to know how that ebook is going about, just send me a message on my email address. The email address will be left in my description. Just a message so that I can tell you how the progress of the ebook is going. And in case you need the ebook, you can write a message to me when it's released. I'm going to get back to you. So this is just how higher time frame analysis works from my perspective, which I have used a lot and I have made lots of money from it as well. So until next time, bye bye.